Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings with Windows plus I. This jumps you straight to System Controls. Once Settings is open, choose Time and Language, then Date and Time so you can change values. Make sure to toggle off Set Time automatically. Without that, the manual fields are locked. After disabling Automatic Time, the Change button appears. Click it to reveal the date and time fields. This step makes the inputs editable, so you can move to precise adjustments in the next slide. Now you adjust the actual values. Click Change and type the correct date and time, using keyboard entry for accuracy. This avoids AM/PM mistakes. Next, check the time zone dropdown. Select the zone that matches your region and confirm daylight saving time settings if relevant. Once those are set, open additional settings and use Sync Now to force Windows to align with an internet time server. This verifies your changes and prevents drift. Make sure all fields reflect the intended local time before moving on. To finish, click Change to apply your manual edits, then verify the taskbar clock. If it doesn't update immediately, restart Windows to refresh services. If the Sync Now action failed earlier, open additional settings and choose a different internet time server. This often fixes network or server-specific errors. Finally, if the clock still drifts or resets after reboot, check Windows Update for related fixes and consider the CMOS battery on older machines. A dead battery causes persistent date and time loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.